So what I want to show you today is how to split a column in Excel with names and surnames into two columns within Excel. Very easy way of doing it. It's called flash fill. So what we have is we've got names and surnames in a column. We want to split that into a separate name and surname column. So what you do is you click in the first cell next to the original name, you type in the first name, you will then copy that down, and then you'll get this little box at the bottom. You click on it and you select flash fill. You do exactly the same for the surname. You click in the surname box, you type the first surname, you will then copy that down, get the little box again, click on it and say flash fill. It is that easy to separate names and surnames into two columns in Microsoft Excel.